So this happened. Top 3 wellness retreats in India that have been on our bucket list.
One for me is Kairali, the Ayurvedic healing village. And then this happened.
No overthinking. Top 3 reasons why Kairali Healing Village is probably the best Ayurvedic center in India.
On number 1 is the fact that Kairali is not just a wellness brand that jumped on a trend. Kairali's Ayurvedic legacy dates back to 1908, and now it's being run by the 4th generation of the same family. That's more than a century of knowledge, experience, and healing traditions.
I actually saw this cabinet which had all their Ayurvedic recipes, which dated back to almost 200 years ago.
This place started off as a hospital that would actually cure and treat people.
Just on that, the second reason is the space itself. About 65 acres of land, and they have this stream flowing in between all the rooms. Another very interesting thing is they have around 130 species of plants and trees around you. So they say you're breathing herbal air through the time you're here. That's one of the reasons why people feel so optimistic when they're here.
You can tell the place it's built for healing.
In addition to the vibe, another very interesting thing is that they actually grow all their food around here. You feel fresher and you feel more energetic when you're eating that food.
Yeah, a few days of stay here, you feel that it's cleansing your body, whatever package you're opting for. The third and the most important reason is the effectiveness of their treatments. During our time here, we met a lot of people and we spoke to them about their experiences. And a lot of them, it wasn't their first time out here, right? They've been loyalists for like years and they've been coming every year.
It's my 3rd time.
This is my 5th year.
The quality of the treatment is very good. Of course, with Ayurvedic medicine, it takes time. This is why it's my 3rd time. So you need to be patient. Overall, I feel better every time I come.
I do Panchkarma in 10 days. I really feel much better and healthier. Usually do a 10-day retreat because 10 days is very comfortable for me. I definitely feel the difference when I go back home.
The overall experience is amazing. They take care of it like 24/7. It's like you see they put thought into this place, and the kitchen is amazing, the treatment are amazing.
A lot of the medicines and therapeutic oils they are giving people to treat things are manufactured in-house. If you are planning a visit, monsoon is a really good time.
Monsoon is actually known as the healing month in Ayurveda.
With Kerala wrapped in the monsoon rains, your whole experience would just feel so much more magical and deeply connected to nature. If Ayurveda is something you're looking to explore or condition that you're wanting to treat, then look up Kairali Ayurvedic Healing Village to check them out.